We're cooking frozen French fries in the air fryer. Start by preheating the air fryer for 2 or 3 minutes to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the frozen fries in the air fryer in a single layer. Now shake them up just a bit and spread them all out. We'll cook for a total of 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. About halfway through, we'll pull the basket out and shake up the fries. Alright, these are cooked for 4 minutes. I'm going to take the basket out and shake them up real good. They're already starting to brown up. There we go. I'm going to stick them back in the air fryer and cook for another 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes total cooking time. Those fries are golden brown. I'll remove them from the air fryer and give them a taste. First, I'm a ketchup guy. I'm gonna need some ketchup. Just a little salt. Delicious. Now, go make some golden delicious fries.